Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're diving into a delicious keto-friendly low-carb treat. Mini pizzas that are cheesy, flavorful, and super easy to make. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and ½ teaspoon of thyme. Mix everything until you get a nice thick cheesy mixture. This will be the base for our mini pizzas. Next, divide the mixture into 7 equal portions and place them on a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Shape them into little rounds to create that perfect mini pizza base. Now comes the fun part, adding the toppings. Let's go with drained tuna, more grated cheddar cheese, chopped red bell peppers, and a handful of olives. And for that final touch, sprinkle a bit more thyme on top for extra flavor. Pop your mini pizzas into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes. These mini keto pizzas are perfect for a snack, a quick lunch, or even a party platter. Low carb, gluten-free, and packed with flavor. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more delicious, keto-friendly recipes. See you next time.